A fountain pen works by using capillary action to draw ink from its reservoir and onto the paper. The pen contains a reservoir, also known as an ink cartridge or converter, which is filled with ink. The nib, which is the metal tip at the end of the pen, has a slit or channel that runs down the center. When the nib is pressed to the paper, the ink is drawn through this channel and onto the paper by capillary action. To start the ink flow, the user typically has to fill the pen with ink using an ink dropper or converter. Once the pen is filled, the nib can be dipped into the ink, or the ink can be drawn into the pen using a twisting or pumping mechanism. Fountain pens come in different types of nibs, including fine, medium, and broad, which affect the width of the line the pen produces. The type of ink used in a fountain pen can also affect its performance, with some inks being more prone to clogging than others. Fountain pens require more maintenance than other types of pens, such as ballpoint pens, as the ink can dry out or the pen can become clogged if not used regularly or cleaned properly. However, many people appreciate the smooth writing experience and classic design of a fountain pen.